have these 6 twists in my hair. I just washed it yesterday. I'm just going to try and get my hair as flat as possible. I'm going to pull this, not super tight, but tight enough. And I'm going to twist it with this one. And then I'm going to twist this one with this one. And just do that so I can get it flat. And I'm going to do the same with this side. I feel like my hair is going to lay the flattest that it can when my hair is like freshly washed. So that's why I made sure I washed my hair before doing this. And so now I'm just going to pin each one to the opposite side, pull it tight, pin it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to put one more. Make sure this one is tight still and do the same thing on the other side. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm really not like good at cornrowing, so I wasn't even gonna try that. I decided to just do the twist instead. And so now I'm gonna put my stocking cap on to protect my hair. And now we're gonna put this thing on. I did like put a elastic band inside. You guys, I'm not like the most experienced with wigs at all, but I looked up some people who are, and a lot of them seem to put an elastic band inside to help it stay tight on their head. Okay, this is hard. So I think the cut is nice from what I can tell, but this is not laying very well for me. Definitely the bangs are a little long. I'm gonna redo my twist. So I'm gonna take them and pull and crisscross them. And then I'm gonna take it and just try and fold and pin again. All right, so take 2. Okay, I'm going to cut this hair a little bit because it's just a little too long. I think we're at a good place where I can start to style the hair. I'm gonna do my bangs last. I'm gonna pin them away for now. So I'm gonna take this curling wand and just do some backwards curls. So I'm just gonna continue to do this to the rest of my hair, and then we'll start on the bangs. So I definitely feel like this is a bit wiggy, but that's fine. Now I'm just going to sort of comb out the curls. This wig is definitely not secure. I'm gonna bump my bangs a little more, then pin them to the side to set them. And I want to pin them to the side while they're still hot, so I'm going to do that right away. I'm pretty much done, but I'm going to let these bangs set in place because I want them to be able to like be wispy to the side of my face, if that makes sense. So I'm going to let these set for a few minutes and I'll be back. All right, so I feel like I've let my bangs sit for long enough. So now I'm going to unclip them. And I think I'm gonna put some hairspray. I'm gonna cut this a little bit more. Yeah, so I think I'm done. So I've had this wig for a while. I've worn it once before, how it originally came, and I'll insert a picture in this video. And it looked fine. It didn't lay flat very well. I personally am not comfortable with gluing down a wig to my skin or my hairline. And I just thought about adding bangs, but I didn't want like a China bang. I really wanted to have like a flowy bang that sort of blended in with the length of the hair. and I think I did an okay job of getting that. So disclaimer, I'm not a hair professional. I don't know how to cut hair. I literally just looked up some other videos and did my best to get what I wanted to get. I know that hair costs a lot and wigs cost a lot, so if you're uncomfortable styling your own hair, I suggest that you go to a professional and get it done so you don't waste your money. But I'm happy with what I did, and I think I'm gonna rock this wig this weekend and just see how I like it, how comfortable I am with it. I'm gonna do a turnaround to show you guys how it looks. I'm happy with the turnout of this wig. The only other wig that I wear is that kinky curly U-part wig that you guys have seen multiple times. And that's a U-part wig. It's not like a wig like this is. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below to let me know. And if you have any questions, let me know also. In the description box, I'll put down the name of this wig and where I got it from. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a good one and thanks for watching. Bye.